Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can use your Webull app. So first you have to go to App Store. You have to search for Webull and from here you can install your app. I have already installed, so I will just go and I will open the app. Here you can sign up or you can log in. So if you are new here, you can go and you can sign up. You can either sign up with your mobile number or email. I will go with my email here. Then here you have to create a password for your account. And here you have to choose like if you want to do trading or investing, and you can continue. Now here you can see that we have many options in the bottom. Here the first we have is watch list. Here you can add a list of different stocks that you want to see later. Like for example, if we teach you how you can do that, for that just you have to go and you have to select the coin and you can add. Like here you can see this magnifying glass in the bottom. Here I will go and I will search for a coin. For example, if we search for Meta here, you can see here Meta on the top. Simply click on that and now you can see a heart on the top. From here you can go and you can add that stock to your watch list. That's how it basically works. Now move on to the next one. Here we next have market. Here you have stocks, ETFs, options, trading, future. Here you can see different things, and here if you click on stocks you can see here different stocks, and here you can also go and you can research for any. Like here for example, I have researched for Meta. And you can see here the first one, I have just opened that, and here you can go and you can see the detail about the coin as well, its market value, its market cap, its volume, its average price, and all these things. Here you can also see a detailed chart about the stock. Here you can see different art chart, you can see 5 days chart, you can see 1 month, 5 month, and all these things. Here you can also go and even you can change the chart to maybe candles or area. I feel more comfortable reading the area, so I will just go with area. Here you also have chart toolbox where you can go and you can add different indicators and different things. Here for indicator you also have many options, you can choose from these options. And if you scroll down, here you can also see the order book level 2. Here you can see that level 2 is basically available. For other you have to do the subscription thing, and if you scroll down now, here you can also see the sales and times. It basically helps you see how the coin is doing. Here next to the chart you have options. You can also trade in the options as well. It's more like for advanced people. Here next to option you can see the news. Here you can see all the news about this stock that you are buying. And here under the company you can also see the company's progress, how the company is doing. Here if you want to buy, then you have to go and you have to click on buy. Here we have these options in the bottom, paper trading and open account. Let's first talk about paper trading. Paper trading is basically a practice account that people use for practice, and here you have two modes for that. You have turbo and classic. Classic is more like the normal mode in which we buy. Here just you have to go and you have to select if you want to buy at market value or you want to buy it at the limit value. Basically in the market order type you do trading at the market rate, and in the limit you do trading at the limited rate. You can put some limit to the price and you can trade. And if you want to buy it actually, then you have to first go and you have to open your account, then you can go and you can buy. Okay, let's move to the next one. Here we have ETFs, and here you can also see many famous ETFs. Here if we go and if we open one to show you how it looks, here you can see the detail about this ETFs, and you can also see the chart here. Here you can also see the monthly yearly charts, and here you can see more detail about this ETFs, and you can go and you can buy it through the normal trading or paper trading. The process is same as we did in the stock, and moreover here you can also go and you can see the options and you can do the trading in the options as well. Now let's move to the next one. Here in the middle you can see this option called open account. Here you must have to open an account if you want to buy and you have to invest in the trading. So if you want to buy and you want to invest, then first go and open your account here. Next to account, here you can see feed. It's more like Twitter. Here you can see all the important information about the trading and stocks. Now here in the menu you can see all detail about your account. Here if you go and if you click on more, you can see more options. Here you can see market and trading and other, and from here you can also go and you can deposit money in your account, and also you can go and you can transfer. That was basically all about how you can use your Webull account. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.